In this video, I'll show you how you can fix out of video memory trying to allocate a texture in FarCry NewDawn. Now the way that we can do this is we want to come down here and search for Advanced System Settings. You can find this in the control panel as well. What you want to do is open up this one, go to Advanced, click on Settings, go to Advanced again in here and choose Change. Now from in here you want to uncheck this box, click on Custom Size, and in these two boxes you want to type the number down here where it says currently allocated. So I would type for me 10,752. You probably have another number, so you want to type the number you have right here in both of these boxes. After that, just press Set, OK, and restart your PC, and then it should hopefully work. Now there's not really much more to it. This should fix the issue. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.